Cooking food in olive oil offers several benefits, making it a popular choice in many kitchens. Here are some of the advantages of using olive oil for cooking. Heart-healthy fats. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. These fats have been associated with numerous cardiovascular benefits, including reducing LDL cholesterol levels, the bad cholesterol, and increasing HDL cholesterol levels, the good cholesterol. A diet that includes monounsaturated fats like those found in olive oil may help lower the risk of heart disease. Antioxidants. Extra virgin olive oil is particularly abundant in antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenols. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body, protecting cells from damage and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and age-related conditions. Anti-inflammatory properties. The polyphenols in olive oil have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help alleviate inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is associated with various health issues, so consuming olive oil may contribute to overall health and well-being. Nutrient retention. Olive oil's high smoke point, around 375 degrees F or 190 degrees C for extra virgin olive oil, means it can withstand higher cooking temperatures without breaking down and forming harmful compounds. This makes it a suitable oil for sautéing, frying, and other high-heat cooking methods while preserving the food's nutritional content. Enhanced flavor. Olive oil adds a rich, distinct flavor to cooked dishes, enhancing the taste of vegetables, meats, and other foods. It's especially well-suited for Mediterranean-style dishes. Weight management. Some studies suggest that olive oil may help with weight management. Its high satiety factor may help you feel fuller for longer, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Easy digestion. Olive oil is generally well tolerated and easy on the digestive system, making it suitable for people with sensitive stomachs. Despite the many benefits, it's essential to use olive oil in moderation, as it is calorie-dense. Like any fat, excessive consumption can lead to weight gain. To enjoy the advantages of olive oil, consider using it in combination with a balanced and varied diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.